What's wrong with you? Alam ko nasaktan ka, nirespeto ko yun. Sabi nila, bigyan ka ng space. Binigyan kita ng space. Isang linggo mo akong hindi kinausap, hindi mo ako tinawagan, tapos ganito?
Was I supposed to see you every day?
Hindi.
Then why the hell are you so mad?
Because I thought you were better than this.
Well, surprise. I'm not. You know, you should be happy, though. I'm fulfilling every awful expectation you have of Americans.
And you know what's wrong with you Filipinos? You're just so melodramatic.
Kung juwa mo ang ex ko, huwag kang magyabang. Kasi ang pangarap mo, ang nakaraan ko.
You don't love me. You tell me that you don't love me, and I'll go.
I don't love you.
Is this what it feels like to be lonely? And though I'm not afraid to know it won't be the same without you.
Sobrang sakit, parang feeling ko hindi ko na kaya. So, ang naisip ko, I'll make a song out of this feeling na nararamdaman ko. Sobrang sakit. Kailangang may transfer ko sa isang awitin. Dahil kung hindi, baka po kung ano mangyari sa akin. So, without further ado, ito po ang awitin ginawa namin. Sana po ay magustuhan ninyo. Thank you.